थीम्स इन एनवायरमेंटल एथिक्स, ये मौजू बहुत ही दिलचस्प है क्योंकि अगर हम थीम से रिलेटेड बात करना शुरू करें तो उसकी तो लिस्ट बनती चली जाएगी, लेकिन we have put themes in environmental issues into a consigned form. Why there is a need for themes in environmental ethics? This is because human population has put and putting lots of load on the nature. The one of the reason is that human population is increasing day by day and they are making excessive use of the natural resources. So there is a pressure on the natural resource. How we can reduce these pressures? We have to look at the various themes in the environmental ethics in order to control these effects on the nature. Now activities of humans are destroying our environment, जैसे कि दरख्त का काटना. आप एक दरख्त काटते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैसे फ़ज़ा में बढ़ जाती है. Improper disposal of the nuclear waste, industrial revolution, all these can pollute our environment. Rio Declaration announced हुआ 1992 में. इसके accordingly there are two current themes which are used in environmental ethics. The first one is precautionary principle कि हम कैसे हिफाजती बंद बांध सकते हैं जबकि environmental concerns involve हों. और दूसरा है sustainability. इन दोनों चीज़ों को, दोनों थीम्स को हम एक बारी बारी करके डिस्कस करेंगे. The first one is precautionary principle. Keep in mind that this is not a new concept. This is actually an old concept that is applied to different areas. Now, this principle is a combination of deontological and consequentialism. What is deontological? This means how we save our environment. It is our duty to save our environment. According to religion, according to ethics, it is our duty कि हम अपने फ़ज़ा को आलूदगी से बचाएं. दूसरी है consequentialism. क्या ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी से कहीं नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को किसी किस्म का कोई नुकसान तो नहीं हो रहा? अगर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज प्रिजर्व प्रॉपरली नहीं हो रहे तो ये ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए अपने लिए थ्रेटनिंग है. The second theme is sustainability. Sustainability means that the activity should be repeated again and again. It should be repeated many times. The purpose that it should save the environment. Without environmental damage, it should be repeated again and again. But if human activity is damaging our environment, then such human activities should not be performed. But sustainability is a theme used in environmental ethics that allow us to conduct different activities repeatedly, but one reason is that it should not affect the environment. जैसे कि एक एग्जाम्पल खेती बाड़ी की है. Agriculture has no lasting effect on the environment. It can be repeated every year. Now, this theme, sustainability, is more acceptable in 21st century. Why it is so? It is more applicable on local level or on a large level. It is actually acceptable on both scales. हम छोटे स्केल पे भी इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और बड़े स्केल पे भी इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. चाहे वो मैटर एग्रीकल्चर का हो, whether it is responsible about industries, we can apply the theme of sustainability.